Hello, good morning, children. Again, you are welcome after 1 month, more than 1 month. Okay, I hope you are safe at your home, and I have taught you the chapters and one topic of a grammar. Got it? Is that clear? And the chapters I have taught you, these are the chapter number 1, named as the Lost Child. Number 2, the Adventure of Toto. Number 3, the Ishwaran the Storyteller, and In the Kingdom of Fools. So I hope you have understood these all chapters, and you should submit me the homework. Whatever I have given to you, submit me the homework. Is that clear? Now the next chapter is the Happy Prince. In this chapter, what we are going to discuss about the prince who is not more on this world. He is died, खत्म हो चुके हैं वो. And when he was alive, he was very happy. And his statue was made in the middle of the city. Whose statue? Happy Prince की statue बनाई गई, and that was completely decorated. Is that clear? By the ornaments, सोने से और नीलम से, इन सब से वो डेकोरेट की गई थी हैप्पी प्रिंस की. तो but before his death he was very happy. But when he saw the condition of the city, when he saw the people, the poor people especially, then he becomes very much sad. So who helped him to develop द सिटी? कौन उसकी हेल्प करता है सिटी को डेवलप करने में, लोगों के दुख दर्द दूर करने में उस हैप्पी प्रिंस की कौन हेल्प करता है? एंड हाउ डिड ही टेक हेल्प? दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन दिस चैप्टर. इज इट क्लियर? सो दैट इज रिटन बाई ऑस्कर वाइल्ड. गॉट इट? द हैप्पी प्रिंस, क्लास 9th. अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ड मीनिंग ऑल्सो गिवन टू यू. ओके. The Happy Prince was a beautiful statue. Okay, he was covered with gold. He had sapphires, नीलम, जो होते हैं ना नीलम, for eyes, आँखों के लिए, and a ruby in his sword. और ruby जो होती है. Why did he want to part with all the gold that he had and his precious stones? High above the city, on the tall column. Okay, any high above the city on the tile column, we are going to discuss about this. And stood the statue of a happy prince. On the tall column, the statue of the happy prince was standing there. He was gilded with all thin leaves of fine gold, completely decorated with thin leaves, पतली पतली पत्तियां of fine gold, completely वो gold से decorated था. For eyes he had 2 bright spears and large red ruby blown on his sword hilt. Eyes के spears लगा रखे थे और अपनी तलवार पे रूबी जो कि उसकी sword पे ग्लो कर रही थी. One night there flew over the city a little swallow. एक bird जो है वो वहां पे फ्लू कर रहा था, उड़ रहा था for the city. His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before. And where had the friends of swallows gone? To Egypt. Egypt is also a country. वो इजिप्ट चले गए थे weeks before 6 weeks before, यानी 6 week पहले. They had gone. Whose friends? Swallows friends. But he had stayed behind. But the swallow stayed behind. He was unable to move with them. Maybe then he decided to go to Egypt too. Then after some time, after 6 weeks, swallow also decided to go to Egypt. So that was the introduction. That there was a statue that was completely decorated with gold, spears and ruby, and one swallow was flying over the city, and was just we can say ready to go to Egypt because his friends were waiting for him. So what happens? All day long he flew. Who flew? The swallow. And at night time he arrived at the city. Complete day he was flying. And when he was getting tired, when the swallow was getting tired, he came in the city in the night. Where shall I put up? He said. I hope the town has made preparations. कहाँ रुकूं मैं? I should, we can say I should wait in town. Then he showed the statue on the tall column. तभी उसने क्या देखा? He saw the statue that was on the column. I will put up there, she cried. It is a fine position with plenty of fresh air. Then the bird decided to stay there in the near the statue. Statue के just नीचे. And why he was saying that is there is a plenty of fresh air. वहाँ पे fresh air भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. So he alighted just between the feet of the happy prince. Just he sat between the feet of the happy prince. Happy prince के पैरों के बीच में बैठ गया. Who? Swallow. Why he decided to stay there? Because it was the fresh air and that was a good place for him. That is why he sat. I have a golden bedroom, he said softly to himself as he looked round. The swallow, the bird, was talking to himself. He said that I am having a golden, we can say, bed with me. And he prepared to go to sleep. As he was ready, it was the time of night, and night is mostly used for sleep. ये किंगडम ऑफ फूल्स जैसा रूल तो था नहीं कि नाइट को जगो काम करो और दिन में आप सो. तो ये तो कुदरत की बनाई हुई चीजें हैं. But just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. What happens when he was ready to sleep? जब अपना head अपनी wings में छुपा के सोने ही वाला था, then a large drop of water fell on him. What a curious thing. The swallow was thinking, what is this? He cried, there is not a single cloud in the sky. He just saw towards the sky because ऊपर से आई थी वो drop. तो अगर अपन चल रहे हैं, if you are moving along in the on our way and suddenly a drop fell upon us, तो what we would think? हम सोचेंगे कि यार बरसात कैसे हो सकती है? Yes or no? तो that's why he was also hoping that there is not a single cloud in the sky. Sky में बादल नहीं है और बादल से बरसात होती है. The stars are quite clear and bright also. The stars are also clear and bright, and yet it is raining, and it is also raining. That is also surprising for me. There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are shining brightly, and it is raining. That was surprise. Then another drop fell. तभी दोबारा बूंद गिरी उस पे. What is the use of a statue if it cannot keep the rain off? But he was thinking that I am just under the statue. No, why? The statue is not stopping the rain. Why there is no use of this type of statue that cannot stop the rain. He said, I must look for a good chimney pot. He was thinking that I should go for a chimney pot. कहीं छुपने के लिए chimney pot पे. And he determined to fly away. But before he had opened his wings, यानी the bird had decided to move from that place. But something had stopped him. A third drop fell. तीसरी बूंद गिर गई. And he looked up and saw. Oh, what did he see? And he looked up and saw. और उसने देखा. Oh, what did he see? वो क्या देखता है? The eyes of the happy prince were filled with tears. जो statue थी, the statue in which the two eyes were there, and both the eyes were filled with the tears. स्टेचू की आंखों में आंसू, and tears were running down his golden cheeks, and tears were running down his golden cheeks. आजकल क्या आता है, पसीना, है ना, यस और नो, उस टाइम पे गर्मी में, यस और नो, तो tears, we can say tears were running down his golden cheeks, उसके golden cheeks के ऊपर आंसू आ रहे थे, टपक रहे थे. His face was so beautiful. Whose face? The bird's face? No. Face of the happy prince. In the moonlight, that the little swallow was filled with pity. That was the moonlight. Complete moon था. पूर्णिमा हो सकती है अपन को ना. And his face was visible. Whose face was visible? The happy prince's face was visible. And the swallow had a pity. Who are you? He said. The bird asked a question to the statue. I am the happy prince. Then the prince said, I am the happy prince. Why are you weeping then? If you are happy, नाम था ना उसका. If you are happy, why are you weeping? रो क्यों रहे हो? Asked the swallow. You have quite drenched me. तुमने तो मुझे परेशान किया. When I was alive and had a human heart, it was the answer of happy prince to the swallow. कह रहा है कि when I was alive, I also had a human heart. Answered the statue. I did not know what tears were because he was the prince. और प्रिंस जो होते हैं पैसे वाले हो सकते हैं, जो वेल्दी पर्सन होते हैं, उनको पता नहीं होता दुख क्या होता है. They don't know what is sorrow. अगर उनको दुख नहीं होता तो वो टीयर्स भी नहीं बहाते. तो कह रहा है कि आई डिड नॉट नो व्हाट आर द टीयर्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको ये पता नहीं होता आंसू क्या होते हैं, मतलब उसने कभी फील नहीं किया दुख, इसीलिए कह रहा है वो. फॉर आई लिव्ड इन द पैलेस, बिकॉज ही वॉज लिविंग इन द पैलेस. ए पर्सन हु इज लिविंग इन द पैलेस, यू नो, सब कुछ मिलता उसे, राजा. That's why he was not feeling any type of sorrow. Where sorrow is not allowed to enter. Yes, जहाँ दुख अभी आ ही नहीं सकता. पैलेस में जो बंदा रहता है किसी चीज़ की कमी तो होती नहीं है. My courtiers, जो दरबारी, called me the happy prince. मेरे जो courtiers थे वो मुझे क्या बोलते थे? They used to call me happy prince. And happy indeed I was. And he was saying that I was also happy. So I lived, and so I died, and I died right now. And now that I am dead, they have set me up here so high that I can see the ugliness and all the misery of my city. Now I was not aware about the misery of the city when I was alive. जब मैं जिंदा था मेरी सिटी के दुख के बारे में मुझे पता नहीं था. बट व्हेन आई वाज डाइड, व्हेन आई केम फ्रॉम द पैलेस एंड दे मेड माय स्टैचू इन द सिटी, देन आई शो द रियल कंडीशन ऑफ द सिटी. एंड दो माय हार्ट इज मेड ऑफ लेड, जो घर्षण से होता है ना उससे बना हुआ है, येट आई कैनॉट चूज बट वीप. मैं चुन नहीं सकता लेकिन मैं रो ही सकता हूँ. शीशे से बना हुआ हार्ट है मेरा. व्हाट Is he not solid gold? क्या वो solid gold नहीं है? Said the swallow to himself. He was saying to himself. When swallow listened the story of the happy prince, then he was talking to himself. He was too polite to make any personal remarks. Far away, continued the statue in low musical voice. Then again, the statue was speaking like a musical sounds. Far away in the little street there is a poor house. कह रहा कि दूर, काफी दूर, in the street there is a poor house. One of the windows is open, and what is open there? Window. And through it I can see a woman seated at a table. And what he can see from that place, a woman was sitting. Where was the woman sitting? She was sitting on the table. Her face is thin and worn, पतला एकदम से. और थोड़ा मुरझाया सा, एंड सी हैज ए कॉश, खांसी है उसे, एंड रेड हैंड्स ऑल प्रिक्ड बाय द नीडल, और सुइयां चुभी हुई हैं हैंड्स में. He was telling the condition of a poor woman. For she is a seamstress, वो एक टेलर है, ठीक है. She is embroidering flowers on a satin gown for the loveliest of queens, maid of honor. क्या कर रही है वो? फ्लावर्स डेकोरेट कर रही है on the satin gown for the loveliest of the queens, maid of honor. क्वींस की जो मैड है उनके ओनर के लिए. टू वेयर एट द नेक्स्ट कोर्ट बॉल, जो कि अगली कोर्ट बॉल जो पार्टी हो उसमें पहनने है उसको, वो लेडीज कर रही है सब कुछ ऐसा. द हैप्पी प्रिंस वॉज टेलिंग दिस स्टोरी टू होम? स्वेलो. नीडल्स चुभे हुए हैं, चेहरा मुरझाया हुआ है, थिन है एकदम. टू वेयर एट द नेक्स्ट कोर्ट बॉल इन ए बेड इन द कॉर्नर ऑफ द रूम. Her little boy is lying ill, and what was near her? A little boy was lying ill. बीमार पड़ा है. A little boy. He has a fever. क्या है उसको? बुखार. And is asking his mother to give him orange. And what is demanding? He is demanding some orange from his mother. The child who is lying on the bed ill, he is demanding some orange from his mother. His mother has nothing to give him but river water, but the mother hadn't anything. Only she had, that was the river water, पानी नदी का. So he is crying. वो क्या कर रहा है? Cry कर रहा है. Who is crying? The boy. The boy was ill. The mother was poor. Pricked needles उसके हाथों में चुभी हुई. seamstress है वो, और बच्चा बीमार है. he is asking for the orange, but the lady only had a water, nothing else. Swallow, swallow, little swallow. The prince was requesting him. Prince उससे request कर रहा है swallow से कि swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my sword hilt? मेरी sword hilt से जो रूबी है वो निकाल लो. मेरी जो हिल्ट है, sword है, जो मुठ है तलवार की, उसमें से तुम रूबी निकाल लो. My feet are fastened to this pedestal and I cannot move. कि मेरे पैर बंधे हुए pedestal से, and I am unable to move. So who requested this? The happy prince requested this to whom? To swallow. कि ओ swallow, take a ruby from my sword, and to whom should he give it? He should give this ruby to the lady. The lady was very poor and her child was suffering from fever. He was ill and lying on the bed demanding the orange, but the lady was not having any orange. She was also having only what? River water. I am waited for in Egypt. Then swallow replied to the happy prince. swallow ने happy prince को reply किया. Said the swallow, my friends are flying up and down the Nile, नील नदी, कि मेरे friends हैं वो उड़ रहे हैं, and talking to the large lotus flowers. Soon they will go to sleep. और वो flowers पे उड़ रहे हैं and soon they will sleep. और वो जल्दी क्या हो जाएंगे? सो जाएंगे. Who would sleep? His friends. The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night. Then the prince requested the swallow कि please stay with him only one night and be his messenger. And he also requested be his messenger, जो मैसेज लेके जाता है. The boy is so thirsty. वो जो बच्चा है, the boy who was lying with his mother, near his mother, he is so thirsty. And the mother so sad. He said, and the mother is also very sad. Mother भी बहुत क्या है? दुखी है. Who is so sad? The mother is so sad. I don't think I like boys, answered the swallow. I want to go to Egypt. कह रहा कि मुझे उस बच्चे में कोई रुचि नहीं है. I'm not having any interest in this boy, and I have to leave for Egypt. Who was saying these words? Swallow. The prince was requesting him to please stay for a one night and give this ruby to the lady so that she can help him. But the happy prince looked so sad that the little swallow was sorry. But when he saw the condition of the happy prince, जब swallow ने happy prince की condition देखी, he becomes very sorry for that. Is that clear? Understand? And he felt sorry for him. It is a very cold here, he said. उसने कहा बहुत ठंड है. But he agreed to stay with him for only one night. Then we can say swallow said, I would stay with you for one night and be his messenger and be his messenger. He requested this to the man, the prince. Got it? So dear children, today what we have discussed, that is also very important for us. It is a story of a happy prince. Is that clear? Understand? Got it? When he was alive, he was very happy because he never ever felt any type of sorrow in his life. Got it? But now he is not so, we can say, wealthy. So we will discuss about this chapter. So in this story, what we have discussed, happy prince had a lot of sorrow after his death, not before the death. Because before the death, he never ever felt any type of sorrow in his life. But his statue was made in the middle in the city. Then he showed the real condition of the people of the city. A swallow was flying, was also going to Egypt, but was unable, and he was taking rest under the feet of the happy prince. Then happy prince, we can say, the tears were coming from the eyes of happy prince. Then he saw the condition of the happy prince, and happy prince requested him to stay with him, and he also, we can say, suggested him to take the ruby of his sword for the lady who was seamstress. A boy was lying near the lady. He was suffering from fever. So this story goes like that. Okay, so आज यहाँ तक ही होगा, and tomorrow we will discuss more about that. Is that clear? Again I am repeating that whatever chapter I have taught you, you should submit me the homework. Is that clear? It is also very important for you, क्योंकि दोबारा टेस्ट होगा तो फिर तुम प्रॉब्लम में आ जाओगे. अंडरस्टैंड? क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास तुम लिख के भेजोगे मेरे को, then I will correct these things and I will also help you to write the answers. Is that clear? Okay, bye.